Everybody knows time is money, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes of my time so you can make money. So what is the 4-question close, and how can we ask 4 simple questions to raise our sales? Listen, this is extremely important because it serves not just as a close, but a mindset. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because I have a bonus for you. So what is the 4-question close? Essentially, no matter what you are selling, whether it's on the phone, whether it's face-to-face, whether it's timeshare, whether it's insurance, you need to ask 4 questions that they have to answer in their head and verbally. Very important, and verbally. The first question is, do you like it? Can you use it? Do you understand it? And can you afford it? Now, let me break it down for you. Okay, you ask your client, before I tell you the price, I'm going to ask you 4 questions. First of all, do you like it? Because if you don't like it, it's not for you. This product's not for everyone. That's just a little takeaway, right? Second of all, can you use it? Because I don't care if you love it. If you can't use it, it's not for you, right? The third question, do you understand it? Do you understand how it works and what it can do for you? Because if you don't understand it, I'm not going to give you one, okay? And finally, if you can afford it, because you can like it, you can use it, you can understand it, but if you can't afford it, well, you can't have it, right? So those are the 4 questions. Now, obviously, you're going to give them the price here. Now, at the last question, they can't tell you if they can afford it or not if they don't hear the price. So here's what you ask them. Is there anything else apart from the price that's stopping you becoming a member today or buying your product today? Do you understand what I'm doing here? I'm making sure as much as possible that I'm getting all other objections out the way, okay? So that is the 4-question close. Do you like it? Can you use it? Do you understand it? And can you afford it? And in your presentation, here's the bonus. In your sales pitch, you have to make sure that all these questions are answered subliminally. If they haven't, your presentation is wrong. Your sales pitch is off. You know what I mean? Get back to the scripting board. Okay, I'm Paul Democritus. Subscribe down below if you like these kind of videos, sales training videos, and entrepreneurship videos, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Paul Democritus, and until next time, keep succeeding.